Hello folks, this is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com and today we have the Huawei Honor 5C smartphone here with us for a detailed review of the same. So guys, without wasting much time, let's begin. So guys, the Huawei Honor 5C comes with a 16nm Kirin 650 chipset which has been fabricated entirely by the Huawei guys. It's not a chipset from Qualcomm or MediaTek. It's something very different and it has been built from the base up for efficiency, power, performance, and everything on the smartphone just shines because of this very thing. It comes with a 2GB RAM and Kirin 650 octa-core chipset. You can see all of the specifications over here. It comes with around 5-inch 1080p display, quite good enough for this price range, and it comes with a fingerprint sensor also. On the bottom we have the micro USB port and you also get the speaker grill. On the right hand side we have the power button and the volume rocker. On the left hand side we have the SIM tray slot. On the back you can see the camera module as well as the fingerprint sensor along with a flash. And on the top of the smartphone we have a small hole for the camera microphone and the 3.5mm jack. Gaming on the Honor 5C was quite good experience because of the new Kirin 650 chipset. Even a smartphone at this price range was able to play many heavy games like Asphalt 8, Nova, etc. with quite ease. The fingerprint sensor performance of this device was also on point. Every time we used this device, every time it was able to detect the fingerprint, and that's quite good. The Honor 5C comes with Android Marshmallow out of the box and it comes with the latest version of EMUI pre-installed on it. The software experience is quite good and you get a lot of pre-installed tools, flashlight, etc. to help you with your day-to-day tasks. The device comes with a 13MP primary and 5MP secondary camera, and the performance can be seen in our detailed camera review which we have already uploaded and you can see in the description below. You can check the audio performance of this device in the following sample that we are about to play. The build and feel of this device is quite solid. It feels quite solid in hand because of the fact that the side has a very nice brushed metallic finish. The back also has a very nice finish and it feels quite good to hold in hand. You can see the benchmark scores of this device in the video that is about to follow. From the benchmark scores we can conclude that for a device like this, it's quite a good performing device. We were especially astonished by the performance on the Nina Mark II benchmark and few other benchmarks. The device comes with a 3000 mAh battery. On paper this might seem less, but there has been a lot of back-end optimization done into this one and the battery does last more than 2 days even on heavy usage for a person like me. And if you are someone who is doing it on a very normal basis, then you might get even more battery life. For a really heavy user who plays a lot of games and everything, you might get a full day of battery life, so that's something quite good. So guys, we had the Honor 5C since 3 weeks and we used it to the max and we came to the following conclusion about this smartphone. The network performance, call clarity, Wi-Fi reception, etc. on this one was quite good. This smartphone is a good experience in itself. It comes with best-in-class radio equipment to have proper cellular connectivity and proper Wi-Fi connectivity wherever you are. For the price for which this device retails, it's quite a good value for money device, and what you get is a smartphone which has a very nice metallic finish, very solid to hold smartphone with a decent camera, though the camera is not that great in low light conditions, but you get a decent camera, excellent battery life, a smartphone which is an all-round performer. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you like this one, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Aditya Najha from InspiredToRise.com signing off folks. Stay inspired to rise.